I want us to learn something, guys. I want to show you guys how to trade. Confirm to me if you trade in Nasdaq. Yeah, confirm to me if you're able to trade Nasdaq on your side, or for example, you always trade Nasdaq. So this is a Nasdaq market on my screen here. You can see it is a Nasdaq 100. So it is one of the 100 biggest stock in the US. That's why it's called Nasdaq 100. Are you getting, guys? So that's why it's called Nasdaq 100, because it consists of the 100 biggest companies in the US. So that's why it's called Nasdaq 100. So let me just so this Nasdaq market, yeah, it opens every day at New York time. So you need to confirm your time zone for New York. Everything, guys, you need to confirm. So on my time zone in East Africa, it opens at 4 p.m. and it closes at 4:30 p.m. Not 4:30, 11:30 p.m. Sorry, to 11:30 p.m. So this is Nasdaq. $100. Nasdaq 100. See, it opens at what time? At 4 p.m. and closes at what time? At 11:30 p.m. And this is every day, guys. Every day. And this is every day. It opens at 4 p.m., which is New York time on my time zone. Then it closes at 11:30 p.m. So it's a stock market, so it doesn't go past midnight like currencies, like whatever you always say. So what you do is, so you can see I have here on my chart the Nasdaq 100. If you want to confirm it's a Nasdaq, it's written NAS 100. You can see it's written NAS 100. So it's written NAS 100. It's written NAS 100. So so if you wanna trade this, guys, if you wanna trade this Nasdaq, like you just need to have, like you need to there are so many strategies, but I'm gonna break it down right now on how to trade Nasdaq the right way. So the first thing which you should do, guys, is you need to set session on your chart. I think, guys, you need to set session on your chart. Yeah, you need to set session on your chart. So where do you set the session on your chart? You come here where it's written indicators and metrics. I think, guys, where it's written indicators and metrics. When you click that, when you click on session, then you type session like that. Just type session. Then when you click session, make sure it's Asia, London, and New York, used for GMT by Vidas Maldives. Are you getting this? By Vidas Maldives. So when you click that, you will have on your screen like that. Let me remove this. By Vidas Maldives. Are you getting, guys? By Vidas Maldives. Now you have the chart. So what you do, because we are trading only New York market, because this Nasdaq market opens at 4 p.m. So we're gonna be removing all the session. We're gonna be removing all the session. We remain only with New York. Are you getting, guys? So you come to session here. You can see where it's written session here. Then when you click it like that, so you will have Asia, London, New York. So because for us, we don't want, guys, to trade other markets, because if the market over this stock opens at 4 p.m., why do you end up to trade maybe in the morning? So you don't need to trade in the morning. You don't need to trade maybe in the midday. You trade only when the market opens, because this is not forex. This is not gold. This is not silver. This is stock market. It is only stocks. You are trading only stocks. So stock opens at a specific time and it closes midnight. So what do? You remove the London. You remove the Asian market like that. So you are remaining with Asia, with New York. Are you getting, guys? You are remaining with New York. So these are New York market, which you are seeing on my screen. So I'll be coming to trade only on this colored part. So we'll be coming to trade only when this colored part appears. So let's see yesterday how you traded the Nasdaq one market. I think, guys. So you can set the previous station. You can set the London so that you understand where to know the liquidity of this market. So let me remove this one. I wanted the color. Are you getting, guys? So what you do? Yeah, we can just leave it like that. So our main concern is to mark the high and the low of London. I think, guys. So let's mark the high and low of London. Let's mark the high and low of London. So we can mark high of London like that and a low of London. So before Nasdaq opens, are you getting, guys? Before Nasdaq opens, like you mark the previous session high and low. Before the previous session opens. Then what you do, guys, is you wait for the market to sweep liquidity. Are you getting, guys? You wait for the market to sweep liquidity. And you can see here, guys, the liquidity was taken. Boom, on a downtrend. So when the liquidity is taken, guys, you trade the opposite part of it. I think, guys, you trade the opposite part of it. So here, you can see the liquidity was taken. So you need to add the 20 EMA on your chart like this. That's another thing. You need to add the 20 EMA on your chart. So the liquidity was taken like that. Boom, on a downtrend, you can see. Then all of a sudden, I was waiting for this market to cross above the 20 EMA. Now my entry should be here. Let me use a different color. Now this is my entry. I think, are you getting, guys? Are you getting? How this is my entry here. Now this is my entry there. For an uptrend. So this, oh, now this is your profit. Now your movement, guys. Are you seeing? So this applies. So this was yesterday. Imagine this was yesterday. You could have benefited a lot of profit, guys. You could have benefited. So let's see another day again here. So this is another day. Are you seeing? Yeah, confirm if you're seeing my screen clearly. Yeah. Previously, guys, I've been using the OBS. I've been using the software to do my analysis, but I'm seeing like software is a bit heavy. Yeah, it's just a bit heavy. It's a bit heavy on my side. So I decided to use the phone just to project it. And for me, I think it's easy. Yeah, confirm with me, for example, if I am clear on your side, guys. Yeah, just confirm to me if I'm clear on your side. Yeah, just confirm to me if I'm clear on your side. Okay. So again, you come and mark the low. You come and mark the low of Asia like that. The low of Asia. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. I think, guys. So let's mark let's mark the low of Asia, the high of Asia, the high of London, and the low of London like that. I think, guys. So here you can see the liquidity was taken this on this side. The liquidity was taken, guys. I think. But this one, then you're able to enter here trade buy. I think you are able to enter a buy here when it crosses above the 20 MA. Then boom, you can see also. This one also, I think you can do it as a scalp, you can even scalp it. Like it really works well, guys. Again, here you can see, it came down again to form a W pattern. Boom. Then it crossed above the 20 MA like this, like here. Then all of a sudden, boom, on a downtrend, an uptrend. So I'm trying to confirm an entry. I'm waiting for the gold market to look entry here. I'm waiting for the gold market to do this cross here above here. Yeah, right now I'm waiting just for an entry here so that I can buy this market. I think, guys. Yeah, I'm waiting for this market so that I can buy for gold market as we are doing the analysis. So this is how you do, guys. Like in Forex, like you don't need to complicate things. You only need one system for it to be profitable. You only need just one system for it to be profitable. So this is for NASDAQ, yeah. This is for a NASDAQ 100. Let me show you again here. So again here, you're able to mark your low of London and your low of Asia. Low of London and the high of London. So see what happened, guys. Boom, your liquidity was taken here. I think the liquidity was taken here. And all of a sudden, look for entries above 13 MA, above 20 MA. Boom, and the market continued buying that market up to the low of Asia. I think, guys, you're gonna be targeting 1 to 2. This is 6 pips. Let's say 7 pips. You target 14. Just 1 to 2. Yeah, you can be targeting 1 to 2. Because you can see here also the market went 1 to 2 here. The market went 1 to 2 here, you can see. Yes. Yeah, if you're going to be targeting 1 to 2, that's really okay. So this trade, you're still holding it. But the market now is closed. The market now is closed, guys. The market now is closed. So let's backtest again backward together, guys. Let's backtest together, guys. So you can see here. I think the liquidity was taken out, guys. I think the liquidity was taken out instantly. You can say boom. Then we had a downtrend below 20 MA. Below 20 MA. Same thing applies in this region, guys. Are you seeing that? The liquidity taken out, guys. The liquidity was taken out, and you can see. So this is a downtrend, guys. This is totally a downtrend market. It is totally a downtrend market. You can see very strong downtrend in which maybe you can profit without it. You can profit with it, guys. So we need to mark the high. You can see. So I have marked my low of Asia, my low of London, and the high of London. You can see. See what happened. The first thing, guys, you need to wait for the liquidity to be taken. That's the most important thing. Is you need to wait for the liquidity to be taken out. So when you wait for the liquidity to be taken out, then you can trade it very well. Can see, you can trade it very well. Can see. liquidity was taken here. Then all of a sudden, you wait for the market to dip below 20 MA. Then that's your entry. Here, you can see. So this thing, you do it daily. You do it daily, guys. You do it daily. You do it daily. Are you seeing this? So where was it? Well, where was liquidity taken here? You can see on the low side. To stick on the low side. So what you're gonna be waiting is, where you're gonna be waiting is you're gonna be waiting for the market to sweep liquidity to the low of Asia, low of London. Then you wait for the market to break low of London, the low of London, then it goes up. I think, guys. So it's one of the simplest strategy you can trade for Nasdaq. If you've never traded Nasdaq, yeah, make it one of your bucket list today. Trade Nasdaq today. Confirm if your broker has the Nasdaq first. Yeah. Because Nasdaq, it's highly profitable, and also to predict it's very easy. Predicting is very, because this is a stock market. Yeah, it is not forex. It's not a stock market. It is not a forex market or maybe gold. It is a stock market. So here, let's see. So here you could have waited. Let's say here. So here you just wait for the market to take the liquidity, wait for the market to sweep liquidity either high or, so I'm talking about here. You wait for it. Sweep liquidity in the low of London. Let's see. You can see. Boom, the liquidity was taken on the low of London. New York, low of London. Because this is where you trade Nasdaq, this color. I don't know if, for example, if it's clear, or maybe I can increase the color. This is where you trade the Nasdaq market. Yeah, this different color is Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq market. It opens here at 4 p.m. because Nasdaq opens at 4 p.m. Then this London. But I need to mark my high and low of London so that I can see where we have liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep is whereby we have liquidity sweep. Let me show you how liquidity sweep is, guys. Liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep is whereby we have the previous session like this. Maybe this is London, for example. So the market has been moving like this on the London market, like this. Then we have a new market is opening, maybe New York. So New York market opens here. If the market is going to sweep liquidity at the low of Asia, like this, then I am so interested with buying than selling. There are some traders who are looking here to sell. They are called breakout traders, something. I think they are called like breakout traders. But for me, I'm not interested with buying. I'm not interested with selling because I understand this is a trap. I think I understand that this is a trap. It's a trap, guys. I understand exactly that this is a trap. So no need of. So here I'm just looking for entries. Continue going up. Same thing applies to sell. So here, the London opens here. If we sweep high, then sweep high, wait for, like that. So these are how all markets work. Whether you are trading currencies, whether you are trading gold, this is a pattern in which the market moves on a daily basis. We can say it is a structure market. It's how market structure works. It is how the market structure works. Yeah, it is how the market structure works. Yeah. I think guys, let me check gold. I'm timing here to trade gold. I'm timing here to wait for interest. I'm timing here for the interest of gold because so for here, I'm waiting for the gold market just to break above the 13 EMA, like that, 20 EMA. Then I'll be looking for a buy instantly. So this applies to yesterday. You can see, yesterday I was able to get this entry. You see, this one was my first entry yesterday. Then it failed. Yeah. So what I normally trade during the gold market I trade very easily, guys. I trade very easily. I just set on my screen here 13 MA. I think the 13 MA. Then gold market opens at what time? Gold market opens at around 2 AM in my country. So what I normally wait is I just wait for the market to break above the 13 MA like this. Then I enter buy. Stop loss below that candle. So yesterday I was able to get this entry. So you need to take 2 trades a day. Only 2 trades a day. You should not exceed 2 trades a day. So here I was able to get this entry here. Got a losing trade again. Then come here again. Boom. Now this one I was able to get a very good entry. I was able to get a very, very good entry, which I was able to hold it. I think, guys, I was able to hold it for a very long time. I see. So yesterday I was able to capture 800 pips on gold through by holding it. I was just holding it, guys. I was just holding it. I think I was just holding it. See how the market has been, guys. So I remember I exited around this region. So same thing which I'm focusing today. I want the market to cross above the 13 MA so that it can confirm my entry, guys. Yeah, that's what I am really waiting, guys. Yeah, and if you're from this live right now, I think this market we're gonna be entering together with you. Yeah, if it confirms and I'm still on live, we are going to enter this, and we are not going to close it till it reaches around 500 pips. You see, it's approaching now our entry. You can see now it's approaching our entry here. So this is what we are waiting, guys. Currently we are waiting this. So let's wait together this market so that we can buy, guys. We can buy. I'm just waiting also for this market, and then we can buy. Yeah, you can see now it has confirmed my entry. So I need to wait for this candle to close first so that I can enter. I think, guys, yeah, I need just to dip to be above the 13 mm. So let's wait and then we can enter together. Yeah, let's wait and then we can enter together, guys. And then we can enter together. It's around how many pips? Yeah, this one you can set a stop loss of let me show you guys. A stop loss of around I think 1,100 pips. Yeah. Currently the market is still holding. Let's see. Let's see how things will go on this market. But this is a trade, guys. It's a trade. We're gonna be buying this market right now. We're gonna be buying this market right now. So we're gonna be waiting for the next candle, which is going to open at 6:45. Exactly at 6:45, we are going to enter this market. Exactly at 6:45, we are going to enter this market. So, okay. Yeah, we're gonna be waiting for this. So I always want the market to cross above the to 13 ml here, so that it can convince me to buy, guys. The market is on downtrend. Yeah. So that it can convince me to buy. So this is a Nasdaq market. You can see on my screen here. It's a Nasdaq market. Yeah, confirm to me if you are trading Nasdaq, if you always trade Nasdaq on your side. Yeah, confirm to me if you always trade Nasdaq on your side. Yes. Yeah, this is what we are waiting, guys, for the gold trade, guys. This is the gold trade which we are waiting, guys. So this is the gold market which we are waiting, guys. Let's see how things go. Yeah, prepare your account, guys. We're going to enter this trade gold. It's an uptrend. Yeah, the reason why we are entering this gold, guys, is the reason why we are entering this gold is because the market has break above the 13 EMA. I think the market has break above the 13 EMA. So let's wait. Let's wait for this market to close, then we can enter together, guys. We are going to enter. And this is kind of like a W pattern. I don't know if you can see, guys. I don't know if you can see this. It's kind of like a W pattern. Yeah. So this trade. Yeah, I think it's kind of like a W pattern like that. That's why it has confirmed my entry. Yes. So let's wait for this market to confirm, guys. Yeah, let's wait for this market to confirm. Then we enter, guys. So let me show you. So yesterday's market, that's the same thing, above the 13 MA. So yesterday I was able to enter this market here. I think just same strategy same strategy which I am learning right now. I think same strategy. Yeah. Wait for the market. You wait for the gold market to open and wait for the market to break above the 13 MA. And you only focus on gold market only, on buy gold market only. We are not selling gold. We are buying gold only on our system, guys. We are buying gold only on our system. So this is what we are waiting, guys. So same thing, guys. Same thing we did yesterday. I am doing it today again. Just like that. I think same thing, like same thing, guys. I don't need to complicate things. Just same thing. Yeah. Same thing. Yeah, I'm gonna be waiting for this market to close, guys. Yeah, confirm you guys. Where are you watching us from, guys? Where are you watching us from? Yeah, confirm as we wait for this trade. Yeah, for those who are joining for the first time, we are talking about this gold market. This gold market, it has confirmed our entry, and we're gonna be entering right now in the next 10 minutes. In the next 10 minutes, we are going to be entering this market. We are going to be entering this market of gold market. We are going to be entering this market at this time, guys. We are going to be entering this market right now. So let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait for this market. Yeah, for those who are joining, we are waiting for this market, for gold market, which is about 10 minutes before we open. We enter this trade. The reason why we are entering this trade is because the market, it has broken above the 13 EMA. Are you seeing, guys? So we are waiting for this market, guys. We are waiting for this market to close. Then we can enter buy, guys. Then we can enter buy. So these are gold market, guys. Our entry reason is we are entering because we are entering buy market because the market has broken above the 13 EMA. Can see? So these are our entry, guys, currently. So let's wait. We enter the market and then we call it a session, guys. Then we call it a session. Yes. So every day my entry is on gold market. I usually enter when the market breaks above the 13 MA. That's my system, guys. I normally trade. Yes, yes. And if the market goes well, I usually hold that market. I think like yesterday here, I was able to enter market. I was able to enter this buy here. Then I was stopped out. I was stopped out first. I think I was stopped out. Then I got another entry again. Then that entry, I was able to maximize the profit very, very well to 800 pips. So same thing happening today here. So this one is what I'm waiting. So I'm just waiting to we enter this trade and then we close this live for YouTube right now. Yeah. Then we close this live of YouTube. This is what we are just waiting this one to confirm. Then we enter the market. Yeah, confirm me where you're watching us from, guys. Confirm me where you're watching us from, guys. Yeah, we're just only remaining with this market. Then we call it a session, guys. Then we call it a session. We call it a session, guys. Then we call it a session. We call it a session, guys. Then we call it a session. Just waiting for this market to confirm. Then we call it a session. Yes. Then we call it a session. Yeah, we're remaining with 5 minutes, guys. We are remaining with 5 minutes. So I'll be going live every day, guys, on the gold, doing good during gold, so that we can look for entries. Yes. So let's see, guys. We are remaining with 5 minutes before we enter this buy gold market. So on your side, also you can enter buy if you have an account ready to trade. Yeah, you can enter buy market, but not right now. At 6:45, 6:45, guys, 6:45. So at 6:45, yeah, we're gonna be looking for this entry buy. Yeah, 6:45, we're gonna be looking for entries for this buy, guys. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, gold nowadays, and we're focusing only on buys. We are focusing mostly on buys, guys. We are focusing mostly on buys market, guys. We are focusing mostly on buys market. We are focusing mostly on buys market, guys. This is what you're waiting, guys. This is what we are waiting. This is what we are waiting currently, guys. Yeah, this is what we are waiting, guys, for the market to break about the team, guys. Yeah. So guys, so I think guys, in 6:45, in the next 3 minutes, in the next 2 minutes, guys, make sure you enter this market buy. You can set your stop loss 100 pips from down. You can set your stop loss 100 pips. The market has confirmed. We are remaining with 3 minutes, so you can see. So just set your stop loss below here. You can set below here, or set 100 pips below. So yeah, you can set 100 pips or 200 pips below. Are you seeing, guys? So let me close the meeting. Let's meet tomorrow again, the same time, guys. Bye bye. See you guys.